In this video, I want to talk about how you're actually able to go and trade perpetuals, how you're able to trade in any way, shape, or form in my favorite exchange, which is Bybit. So with that said, we jump straight into the laptop, and everything I say, all the position that you will see me taking as a demonstration for you is no financial advisor whatsoever. But when we have over on Bybit, why do I trade here and why do I like it? Well, first of all, it is very simple. It is a one-click buy option. Simply click over here. You're able to go and buy anything with your credit card. I also have, as you see over here, the Bybit card, which you will find all the information in the link below. You're able to pay this with the USDC that I do have, or the USDT that I do have over on my Bybit account. So this is why I also like it, and they go together. If I make money here and I earn money, I'm able to go and spend it immediately on the same day. So you have the possibility to do all the buy crypto, the peer-to-peer trading with zero fees, fiat deposit, and all of them. And if you want to go and trade, it is very simple. You have all the options on the top over here once you sign up. I will also leave you the link down below to go and sign up immediately with Bybit. You have the spot trading with all of the pairs that you wish. And then if you click on it, you will be redirected to the main charts, the Bybit charts, and on the top over here, you're able to see all different tokens. You're able to go and find them. For example, if you're looking for Ethereum, simply click ETH and you have all the different pairing. And then you have the features and the option you also have, which is really good, the gold and the Forex trading as well, with up to 500x leverage, which is really, really good. And compared to other possibilities out there in the market for the FX trading, for the Forex trading, or the gold trading, no middleman, no pain, no worries. You simply trade, you cash out, you have it in your account. Super easy. But when you go and say, let's go and try the features account. So if you click over on the features, which feature is basically trading long and shorting a token, why do I like Bybit especially? Well, compared to other exchanges, it lives for, I'm a crypto airdrop channel, if you didn't know. So I'm able to go and trade most of the airdrops, which in this case we can see if we go over to new, most of the airdrop get listed on Bybit fairly quickly. In this case, we have, for example, the Kaito USDT, which just launched today at time of recording this video. It's already here trading. And the best thing is you can trade all the way up to already 75x leverage. Of course, you can go 1x leverage, 2x leverage, 3x leverage. You can do less, but you can also go all the way up to 75x leverage, which you're able to go and change it over on the top right here. You have the possibility for cross margin, which, as you see here, it is a regular user. If it's the first time that you're looking at it, you got all perpetual and future contracts. You then got the portfolio margins, the professional derivatives traders, and then you got the isolated margin. I personally stick with the cross margin, which is the easiest. And one other thing, if you do not want to trade, if you're like, oh, I got money, but I don't know how to trade and I don't want to risk it to go and lose my funds, well, Bybit gives you the possibility to go over here to the tools. You can do copy trading. What this does, it allows you to go and simply provide your funds to one of these creators over here, or, professional trader. And basically the trade that they do is the trade that you will do. So they will make the trades for you. They will allow you to go, and if we go, for example, over here, we click over on copy. I have $300 to go and test it out. I can put on deposit everything, or simply put the maximum. As we see here, I have 300, and then I simply click on copy now. And basically, this guy will trade with my money. So I am trusting him to trade with my money. But of course, if he loses, I lose my funds. If there's a market crash, I lose my funds. If you're betting on long, everything going up. So it is risky. You're putting your trust on somebody. So for this one, you can go to the top balance traders, the top Bybit picks, as we see over here. And here is like the ROI over 7 days. You have different people. So it's up to you also who to trade, who not to trade. This is gotta do your own research, just like with trading in general. But if we go over to trade, let's go and focus on the features. So on the features, you can pick any token whatsoever. And one token that I wanted to go and do right now, we can go and test it out with Bitcoin. So when you want to go and have Bitcoin, first of all, you need to have tokens over on your, if we have it over here, you need to have your token, and this is my personal wallet, over on your unified trading account. So if you go and do a one by click, you simply arrive them over on the funding. From the funding, you will be able to transfer over to the unified trading account. Once they're on the unified trading account over here, you're able to go and trade. So when it comes to this one, is the quantity. You're able to utilize this to go and put as, 10%, 20% of your funds, 50% of your funds, 75% of your funds, 100% of your funds. It is completely up to you. And in this case, for example, I got $300. So let me go and utilize, this is just a quick one, a 2%. And here you can see the calculate. What does the calculate mean? Well, the calculate is to go and see when your liquidity position, when your position actually gets liquidated. So if the more you put, the more collateral you do not have, so the higher this level is, as you see here, the calculation is very tight. So if I bet on long, I get liquidated. So if I bet on the token to go up, I get liquidated if the token reach 96,768. So if it goes down, as of right now, approximately $200. If I bet on short, I get liquidated if the token goes up $100 more or less. So this is how it works. The less you go and play with this one, the more collateral you have in case your token gets liquidated. And therefore, as you see here, it only gets liquidated if it goes out either to 94,000 or to 100,000. So this allows you to have a little bit of a backing bone when it comes to the trading itself. Then we have the possibility for the take profit or the stop losses, which basically means if you do a trade at night and you say, hey, I want to say that Bitcoin will go to 100,000 while asleep. Well, simply click over here, put 100,000, and you will be able to go and see that when it hits 100,000, if it hits 100,000 while you sleep, it will automatically sell it for you. Simple as that. So it basically says it will sell it for you if it reaches 100,000, or if it goes too much down. For example, it's at 96,000. I don't want to get liquidated fully. So if it reaches 95,000, I believe that then it's going to go down even more. So if it reaches, let's say 96,200, you will see here that I will lose 82% of my trade, but I still got 20% left. So it kind of gives you a balance on like, you can do this, you can put the stop losses, you can put the take profit and all of them. And then you have all the information over here once you go and do the trading. Once you open the trade, let's go and open, I actually want to open a trade over on the new token, so the newly released token over here. For example, Kaito, this is an airdrop token that has been released. So as we said, we go and fulfill the order with, for example, 50% of the possibility that I have. And I want to say that with a 10x, it's going to go either up or down. I think this token is going to go down. So what do? Let's go and put 100%. This is the riskiest place you can do because then you don't have collateral to go and prevent yourself. But I want to say it is going to go down. And I will play at a 25x leverage, which means if it goes up 1%, I need to multiply it by 25. And if it goes down 1%, I am losing 25%. So I only have a 4%. And as we see here, the calculation with the margin, with the total margin over here, the calculated, it's really, really tough. It's easier to, of course, get liquidated when you are playing this much. 25% leverage calculation, you see that it is very, very difficult. Now, for example, if I did open the short before over here at 89, now that it's going at 92.43, I would have gotten liquidated. So probably better for me to go over on a 10x so that I have a majority of space with this one, as you see, to 95. So this is how you do it. Once you want to go and start a trade, what do? You simply click over on sell short. It gives me insufficient funds when I do have the funds. So let's try again, as I do have them over here. Click on sell shorts, and it is not allowing me. So to place more bets, increase your available balance via the following method: transfer between the account, or you simply deposit. As we said before, you can go and transfer, and you need to have them over in your position, which I do have. And as you see right here, by clicking over on sell short, I have opened my position. And here is my position. So you're able to go and see it over here. I put on the sell pressure, and I am, as at current time, I am in a loss, 13%. And you see it here. This is how you see it. This is the unrealized profit and loss, which means if I close now, I'm losing 10%. And I can close it at the limit or at the market order, which means market, it's at the price that is currently at. Limit, it means that I pick at which price I want to sell the token. And then here we have the information. It's across at 10x. The value is this amount of money, which is 300 multiplied by approximately 10x. Market price is this one, which is the one I enter. And the liquidation price is when all of my funds will be lost. If this token here reaches $1.01, I lose all of my fund. This is what the liquidation price means. And then you got the unrealized profit, you got the realized profit and loss, which means these are already the fees. If you go and, lose your money, or if you go and, let's say, profit with your money, this is already calculated. It's a fee that is already calculated. You can add automatically here add profit and loss. So if it reaches take profit, if it reaches a certain margin, or if I reach a 300% return, click on confirm. If it reaches that, so now it basically says if it reaches 64 cents, I will sell automatically. That's what it means, simply as that. Which, of course, you can use it, you can leave it open. It's up to you how you want to utilize this protocol. If you want to utilize it or not, is completely up to you. And then here you can close it or by limit or by market. So limit, you close it at a certain price that you want. The market, you close it at current market price, which in my opinion, I would be losing 1%, 2% of the fund. So I hope it helped. I hope it was clear enough. It is super easy to trade on Bybit. That's why I like it. I like the leverage. I like the possibility of immediately buying in and out. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and I will see you later. Ciao, guys.